Hello, I'm Mo. I've lost over 140 pounds in under 6 months just by consuming the right ingredients. And I've kept the weight off for years, and so have hundreds of our clients, which means you can too anywhere you are in the world. And look, if you want to build muscle while you're on your weight loss journey without sacrificing the weight loss speed, stick with me. I'm going to show you how you can bulk up while getting lean efficiently. The whole point of this though first is to get your weight loss journey beginning, and then from there on you can spend a lot more time at the gym. And the more time you are at the gym putting in reps, the stronger the muscles will be. That is a given effect. There is really no way around it. But what you can do is have shortcuts to where you allow the muscles to just grow a little bit faster. And some really simple ways that I have learned this works is to actually let your body have muscle rest days. I think of it as being on two extremes, right? When you're working out and you're at the gym, you want to work out pretty hard. And the reason that is because that extraneous pain you're putting your body in means the harder it's going to heal and the better it is for the body. So you're going to want to be on both sides of the extreme. But for example, after my first 6 months of the weight loss, I was like, I'm going to the gym every day. And I did, and I loved it. And I was getting stronger, but I was going daily and my muscles were building. I can lift heavier, but they weren't looking bigger. Now, my solution has been recently, and I've noticed it work on so many new customers, is instead of a daily, I would do one every other day. And what I would do is I would lower my workout. I used to try to work out for about an hour back in the day. And this is all after I had lost the weight and was like, oh, I want to be super strong. I then realized that it actually did not help. The better solution is to have a smaller workout window, but to work out very effectively and efficiently, and then to have a longer rest period after that. And the longer you are resting, you're actually giving your body time to build the muscle back. And here's the craziest thing. If you are fasting, and when you are consuming, you are following the recipe book, we've got it linked below, you're eating the right ingredients, your body will actually build muscle faster than it will when you're eating processed crappy food, because then you don't have the hormonal imbalance. Your body will smoothly and effectively be able to store the muscle and turn the excess protein into muscle. Another thing you're going to really want to do is actually raise your protein numbers on what you're consuming daily. Look, if you are not working out at the gym, you want to have a lower protein number, and the reason for that is because protein actually turns into fat when it's not being used effectively. So if you are at the gym using it, it will turn into muscle, and that is the most important piece of that information. Now, if you have a workout routine already, as long as it isn't extremely painful and you have a long negative effect from it afterwards, it should be a good workout. I don't have a perfect one that I can recommend you. If one day I do, I totally will. But my recommendation is make sure you enjoy the workout, because if you don't enjoy the workout when you're lifting, none of it's going to make a difference. You're not going to sustain it for the long run. It's going to suck. It's going to feel crappy. So make sure whatever workout you decide to do, you're enjoying it. Even if it's like Pilates, it's so much fun. You get to enjoy that feeling, and the muscles will